Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to boot your Mac into safe mode. So let's get started. Firstly, let's know what is safe mode. Starting up your Mac in safe mode can help you determine whether an issue you are experiencing is caused by the software that loads every time your Mac startups. And it does this by preventing your Mac from loading things like login items, non-system fonts, and system extensions, and performing a first aid check on your startup disk. It also deletes certain cache, including the kernel cache, which are recreated on the fly when needed. So now simply let's boot into safe mode on Apple Silicon macOS. Firstly, if your Mac is powered on, then shut it down. Then turn on your Mac and continue to press and hold the power button until you see the startup option windows. Then select your startup disk, press and hold the shift key, then click continue in safe mode. Then release the shift key, and once your Mac has booted into safe mode, you will see safe boot in red in the upper right. Then log in using your account credentials. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.